This avocado smoothie is the best way to gain weight because it's a high calorie smoothie. It's also a perfect pre-workout smoothie that you can enjoy before hitting the gym because it's an energy booster. The smoothie turns out very creamy, filling, and delicious. For this recipe, you need some ripe avocados, bananas, honey, and ice cubes. So into your blender, you're going to be adding in your bananas. So I'm going to peel my bananas, and I'm using 2 large bananas for this recipe. Cut the bananas into the blender. Bananas are a great source of potassium. They improve blood pressure and also are very filling. Once I'm done, I'm going to pick my avocado and cut in half. This is how my avocado is looking on the inside. So I'm going to use a spoon and scoop out the pulp of my avocado and into the blender. Avocados help in weight gain because they're rich in healthy fats, have lots of vitamins like vitamin C, E, and K. Also, they have lots of nutrients and aid in digestion. I'm done transferring my avocados and banana into my blender. So next I'm going to be adding in my ice cubes. So the ice cubes are going to make the smoothie very creamy and chill. So next I'm going to add in my honey. So the honey is going to act as a sweetener. So I'm going to cover and blend until smooth. After a miniature smoothie is going to be well blended, so I'm going to transfer to my glasses and just look how creamy the avocado smoothie is looking. Wow, I love the gorgeous green color. Add in my next glass. So good. Add in some straws. And there you have it. This is the best avocado smoothie ever because it's creamy, it's delicious, a little bit sweet, but so good. So this avocado smoothie is totally worth trying because it's loaded with lots of calories that are going to help you gain some weight, and hope you'll be giving this recipe a try.